Hello, everyone. I'm Kelvin. I'm originally from Ghana. I grew up in the United States. I have a 120 TEFL slash TESOL certificate, which has certified me to be an English teacher. I love to teach. I've been teaching for the past 10 years, but recently I took into the last couple of years going into English teaching, and I've really been enjoying it, helping people improve their English language skills. And I realized it's something that I'm good at and want to do and want to help people achieve their goals for whatever English level that they want to be at. I specialize in conversational English, also with pronunciations and accents and grammar. I can also help you with business English. If you're also in the medical field, I can also help you there. Personally, I'm into movies, I'm into anime, I'm into cooking, I'm into video games. There's a lot of things. I'm a pretty much open person who does um, have a soft spot for a lot of things. I'm very accommodating. I make sure that our lessons are suited for you, are adjusted to make sure that you get the best out of it, that you're able to achieve your goal in the most efficient ways. So I'd like you to go ahead and contact me and let me know how you want us to begin working on things. I'd be more than happy to accommodate you and to work and to give my best to make sure that you can have the best English learning experience of your life. Thank you, and have a good one.